Hi everyone, this is Miss Foot Fixer. So I think the first video of me cutting a fungal infection was on YouTube. A lot of you guys have commented on it. Well, this is actually how many months? 8 months, 9 months from treatment? April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, October. So 6 months. 6 months since the start of treatment, and a lot of my a lot of the comments were, Marion, why don't you cut more off? The issue is I couldn't cut more off. And now what we have is actually quite clear nails growing back out. Some of them will probably need to do surgery on, but you can see clear nails growing all the way out in the foot itself. So what we're going to do is we're just going to clean these nails out a little bit more today with the drill and everything like that. So it's an antiseptic, and I will try my best to make it look like I filed it really straight. Okay, sometimes it's quite hard on video, so obviously there's still infection, but comparative to what he had before, the nail actually looks a lot healthier. And we have a timeline. He's getting married in April, so we need to kind of speed this up. I'm gonna try not to hurt you, but there's a bit of fungus in here. When am I seeing you next?
Next Saturday, I think, at Cotswold. So, are you here Friday?
I'm here Friday.
Yeah, I'm off, so I can come whatever time.
Okay, good. And then when are you going to India?
Sunday.
Sunday,
Monday.
okay. Monday, okay. I'm just going to be careful with this one because there's a little tiny cut there when I put plaster on there. So this is really stuck inside. I'm just going to clean it as much as possible. Sorry. As much as possible. It's quite stuck. Okay, that's fine. So his nail is on our YouTube channel.
Look at that, that's pretty good.
I know. These are all really good. They're not
That's pretty good.
Which one?
Well, these ones.
Oh yeah.
All these ones, they look pretty good.
Which leg was the worst? The right leg was actually the worst leg.
They were all bad.
No, they were, but like say like 2 years ago, the left leg was fine.
Really?
It came from the right leg, so yeah.
This is your...
Well, you've been having on and on.
On and off. Yeah,
On and off. On and off. It was really...
I always email on a Friday.
Why
Yeah.
on and off?
Why on and off? Why on and off? Why didn't you tell him why on and off?
Just not committed.
Surprised that it's improved so much, to be honest. It's been slow because of it's been on and off. Do you need to discharge next? Do you need to send him off? Is he done?
No, he's still
Okay.
later.
He's still listening. Okay.
No, I'm just looking because obviously it just looks pretty good. Basically, that's why I was looking.
You can have a look at his YouTube. It's quite bad. Do you want to have a look at your? Do you want a reminder?
Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah.
And this is your right foot.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Well done, man.
He never says that.
That's pretty good though. Because that's completely lifted and split.
Yeah, there's no
Side.
attached nail.
There's no attached nail, but this is, I wanted to spend there to be loads of scarring underneath on the nail bed or something, pushing the nail on, right?
That split so many times. It wasn't just that time. I come off a few times before.
Pretty good. Now that's big. Oh, here you go.
Actually, let me have a look at your thumbnail. I actually don't think you need any nail surgery. Just looking at them, maybe the little ones, but we'll see what happens when you come back from your trip, okay? If you can just continue your treatment and just don't skip anything for me, I think that'd be great. But to be honest, your nails has improved a lot. Okay, dokie, just a little boo-boo again on the top, just very superficial. put some antiseptic.